Hello, IK here. Welcome to Improve Descriptions by Generative AI. Here is a e-retail admin uh, React application. It is part of application for administration e-commerce. And here is articles. Here is a description, short description, and I want to improve it by generative AI. Here is update, and this button is important. Improve descriptions. I click, you see now this is very short description, but now after improve this description, and we must waiting for look at here it is, and I now show you in bigger screen, in bigger format, new description and description from before. Of course, this description, what is now here, I can update and look at how long this one, but you will see generative AI give us some options because there is a lot of context for immediately to know all what we want. And because of that improved I go to update, and now I can with the Control A, Control C. I copy here a short list. It is short list. A list, it is description, my short description for that articles, that title of articles. A list of the top 10 smartphones of 2024, covering key features, performance, and expert review to help you choose the right devices. It is short description that articles, but improved description is here. Look at how much generative AI generate content to us. Here are a few improved versions of the prompt, focusing on different aspects and goals. Option 1, more detailed information. I need a comprehensive guide to the top 10 smartphones for 2024. This guide should include detail. It is option 1. And option 3, option 2. Option 2, focus on recommendation. Create a ranked list of the top 10 smartphones for 2024, comparing their key features, camera, battery life, performance, and providing a etc., etc., etc. It is, and option 3 here it is, option 4. And administration staff here only must choose description and if need a little more communicate with artificial intelligence, or practically give this short description can be only keywords, not complete sentences, keywords, and from that keywords, artificial would create descriptions, improved description. Can we create more example? Here it is, update button. Here is a short description, what right man administer. And here is a improve description. Waiting, you see. And here it is very, very long, again, options and options. And now, of course, man would copy it and analyze and take what I need, choose version what I need, and after that, put here copy of that what man choose and update. After that, you see, you will have what you choose. Here again, update form, improve description. Here is a now short one. Improve description. Waiting some moment. Okay. This moment, my internet is broken. Okay. We see that. Now we are ready for code. I try now, I have internet, improve description. And here it is. And now after that, of course, I must revise it and choose what I want. But now after that, update. And look at the generative, what generate AI for us. Description is a very, very serious job in every segment of our activity, because important for people who read it, for customers who read it, that it not losing they their time, and of course correct grammatically and informative and informative. And here we are corrective. We are here choose description, what give us choose and lead in some direction, lead AI and the generative description. Okay, now let's go to code. Here is update article form, and this is a button before description, below description, and that improve description button on click call a handler, event handler on improve description clicked. Event handler on improve description clicked request directly to express, not don't go by tongue, but directly from user interface, from update form, directly to express background, express server. Here it is, improve API, improve description. Send, what send? Description. Here is a server, express, and we take, we declare description. It is the structured declaration, the structured assignment. Here is the object description, and that description, for that description, it is our description, existing short description. we want improve description and declare variable improve description equal await model dot generate content. It is a method of model, artificial intelligence model. Here it is Gemini from Google. And the parameter is improve this variable description. And after that, this improve description is improved description is just what the name of that variable said, improved description. And there is a lot of log because we find where in object, in what properties is concretely that text, because we received always some object, and we find that improved description text is here in this part, and there is more parts, and this means first part in array. Here is a candidate. It is what we see in the console log, name of some properties of that object, and that candidate we analyze that. There is a properties content, and in content there is a part and 0. It is a text of our improved description, and call it improved description text. And we send that text response via in Express response our front end, and a parameter of that ingestion format, update description, improve description text. And we see that in our update form, and after that we can update form if we want that new input, improved description text, but we see we must copy that and take in some text processor and analyze and choose what we want update. Okay. It's all. Here we have only front end in update form and Express server. We don't use a tank here. We don't need tank because our update form create and go by tank and create Redux state for articles. But here, generative AI only improve our description in our update form. Here in Express from before, we have API key here. Here it is. It means that in env, here it is in env is that constant of Google API key, and it is not now visible. And but this env in env file is in gitignore in gitignore file, so that our Google API key we don't permit. We have not permit our Google API key would be visible on Git on the GitHub. Here it is, declare, require this. And here is constant generative AI. Look at model and model gen AI generative model. Here it is uh, always it is here in top of the Express. Of course, I have recommend products before. You can see that in some previous video, and now it is a second activity, second features what generative artificial intelligence does here in my admin side. Recommend products what was in the public side of e-commerce application, public side, because the customer ask for a recommend products. Recommend product, this recommend products is on the remove global, on remove context data, and this is now improved description. It is beginning work on my data in my database. This is improved description. Okay, it's all for this video, and let's go to other to next generative AI application to my e-commerce. Thank you for watching this video.